Hey, what's up and welcome back everyone. Today we have some Paneras. So, 'tis the season for Panera. It is fall, but you know, whatever, I'm gonna still get out here and enjoy me some soup. And I also have their Pepperoni Flatbread pizza. Now, I love their flatbread pizza. And then we also have some bread. You know, it comes with the baguette. And a cup of soup. I got the chicken and rice soup today. Not exactly ready for the broccoli and cheddar soup, but I love me some soup. All right. I'm most likely gonna save the baguette for later and eat it with some honey butter. But oh yes. And again, this is the chicken and rice soup. First bite. It's so creamy. If you haven't tried their flatbread pizza, try it. It's really good. And I get extra pepperonis. It's such a different taste than regular pizza. So I ain't gonna lie, for those who have not been to Panera's, it is pricey. It's pricey. And that total adds up quick. But the food is really good. It's worth it. You will not be disappointed. Now, my go-to for Panera's is normally the broccoli cheddar soup and just the bread, until they came out with these flatbreads a little while ago. And ever since they came out with the flatbreads, it's been flatbread and soup. But you also can't go wrong with one of their sandwiches. Their sandwiches are really good. The paninis. You gotta have something that you could dip in the soup. Y'all, I ain't never in my life dipped pizza in my soup before I had this together. But I guess it's no different. You know, pizza's mostly bread. So it's no different if I was just dipping the baguette in the soup too. There's fresh mozzarella cheese on here, loaded with pepperoni. I'm sorry, I ain't sharing today. Y'all just gonna have to go try it on your own. for my drink today, I'm also trying something new. So I've had Simply Lemonade before, and I really like it because it's really tart. However, somebody I know had it with a blue Kool-Aid packet, the blue raspberry lemonade, and they put this packet in here with the lemonade. So I'm like, let's test it out, y'all. Let's test it out, y'all. Yes. I'm gonna just shake this up a bit by itself. Alright. And I got my blue Kool-Aid packet. Again, this is the blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid packet. So let's see. And the person I know did it with the gallon, like the big jug, but I'm only gonna use this small one in like half the packet. Alright. And then if I like it, I'll go get another small one and use the rest of it. If I don't like these, then I'm gonna just eat the Kool-Aid powder. Don't be acting like y'all ain't never just ate the Kool-Aid powder before. With sugar in a little bag and you dip your finger in it. Y'all ain't never did that. Maybe just me. Alright. I'm loving this color. Get into the color. Yes. Okay. I'm ready, y'all. Hold on. Let me see if it's all this. Oh, we still got a little bit more. Oh, wow. I'm shaking these. All right, let's check it. So to check it, I'm just seeing if any blue powder falls to the bottom. But I think it's good to go. All right, y'all. Ooh. Y'all. Y'all done did something here. Yes. Simply Lemonade with the blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid packet, y'all. Y'all, when I say it's so good, this is so good. I do recommend it, but only if you like tart lemonade. If you like more of a sweet lemonade, it may not be for you. Baby, that lemonade was delicious. Am I breaking it at the right place? Y'all. But how y'all doing today? Everything alright? Y'all, I'm doing real good. I know I'm eating pizza, but it's really, this bread is calling me just sitting here. Yeah. I'm doing good. I'm ready for the holiday season. And business wise, personally, I'm ready for a new year to begin. You know, we coming up on the end of this year. I'm not gonna lie. This last quarter of the year has been tremendous. Like, it has been the best. Your girl can't complain. I'm blessed. My business is thriving. My YouTube is thriving. The bakery YouTube is thriving. Like, home life is spectacular. Like, y'all. When I say there is not one aspect in my life I can complain about or have any problems with, I mean it. Like, literally, this last quarter of the year has been phenomenal. And I know things can change on a day-to-day basis, but like overall, like stepping back and looking at everything, it's like this has been a pretty good year. And this last quarter again has been like phenomenal. And only thing I can say is literally I am blessed and I'm working hard. So I guess maybe like I'm seeing the fruits of my labor. You know, you put in all this work and then it's like you don't see any results at first or anything happening, but then once the ball starts rolling with stuff, man. Blessed, and I am grateful. I'm in good health. My family's doing well. I don't know if I exactly told y'all the price. I remember saying that Panera is a bit expensive. Like, literally this flatbread and this small cup of soup was $17 and some change. Yeah, I know. Flatbread and a cup of soup, $17. But it's so good. It's so good. I'd spend it again though. I would spend it again. I should have just got a bowl. But anyhow, let me finish this up. Add some more of my juice. Oh. So good, so good. My last piece. I almost forgot, y'all. I have to save a little bit for my husband so he could try it. Whew. I feel good. I'm satisfied. y'all. Get y'all some Panera. It's the season for Paneras. Get some Paneras. Yes, as usual. These last 2 pieces I'll just save for later as a snack, or if my husband want to come home and eat them because it's an openable day. But as y'all know, I appreciate y'all coming to have lunch with me. I love y'all. Thank you so much for the support, for coming to have lunch with me, and just for being such awesome people. Like, y'all are awesome. If no one has told you today, you are awesome. AWESOME, awesome, totally. That's you. And again, thank y'all so much. But that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.